Using your AirPods Pro 3 for music is all about convenience, and one of the best parts is being able to control everything without touching your phone. But if you're new to them, the touch or press controls on the earbuds might not feel immediately obvious. You might tap or press and nothing happens, or you're unsure how to skip tracks versus pausing them. Apple uses pressure-based controls on the stems, which are different from simple touch gestures, so it takes a moment to get used to how they respond. Once you understand the exact press patterns, controlling your music becomes effortless. You can pause, play, or skip songs instantly whether you're walking, working out, or just relaxing, all without taking your phone out of your pocket. Try these. Step 1. Wear your AirPods Pro 3 and make sure they are connected to your device. Step 2. Press the stem once to pause or play your music. Step 3. Press the stem twice quickly to skip to the next song. Step 4. Press the stem 3 times quickly to go back to the previous track. Step 5. Make sure your audio app is active so the controls respond properly. Step 6. Adjust controls in settings, then Bluetooth, then AirPods if needed.